So my first question is to Reverend Gackenheimer. Ryan, I'm curious to know what you think the connection is between what you do at camp and how folks engage with youth back in their own context. And you've spoken about this a bit, but I'm familiar with incredible work that is done at Silver Lake, and I'm wondering for folks who haven't experienced Silver Lake yet, how folks might be able to integrate some of the same ideas that you have and that you use in your camp back at home so that it continues that kind of relational component, the welcoming piece that undergirds all that you do. How can those things be implemented back home?
Yeah, without giving away all the value of camp so that camp still doesn't have a place. Um, One of the things that I've spent a lot of time thinking about is what makes worship so unique at camp. And in particular, at a setting like Silver Lake, we do worship 5 days a week during the summertime. So every day that the campers are here, we have worship. And the campers are the ones that actually build the worship service. They design the service. They decide what's going to be included. They write the prayers. Sometimes even in some of the conferences, the whole week is designed around writing a musical based on a scripture story, a Bible story. And so part of that takeaway that I think we can translate to our settings is that worship is not contextual in the same way on a Sunday morning. It's usually the pastor, the deacons, the lay leaders designing worship outside of the camper or the faith community's experience. And I think there are ways with youth that we can build more contextual worship in our settings when we're doing a youth Sunday, when we're doing a children's Sunday kind of thing. So I think that provides a lot of opportunity. And then things as simple as the facilitating that I was talking about, finding ways to have fun together that can be intergenerational fun, and then process out from them, like find the meaning in those fun activities as we cross boundaries of age, because part of the joy of Silver Lake is we have campers as young as 4th grade, as old as 12th grade, and our counselors can be anywhere from 16 to sometimes 75. We have folks here, so it's very intergenerational as well.